So, the leaks are only getting louder, and it looks like Samsung is about to make a big move. The latest buzz? The Galaxy S Plus model might be getting the boot in the upcoming S26 series, and being swapped out for something called the Edge. And honestly, that might not be the smartest call. Now, to be fair, the Galaxy S26 Edge looks futuristic. It's rocking that ultra-premium titanium finish, it's insanely slim at just 5.8mm, and yes, it packs a massive 200 megapixels camera. On paper, it's a tech dream. But let's talk about real-world use. For hardcore users, battery life and overall balance matter the most. And that's where the Edge is cutting too deep. It comes with only a 3900 mAh battery, which is a full 1000 mAh less than what we had in the S25 Plus. And according to early feedback, it struggles to get through the day. That's just not acceptable from a flagship in 2025. See, the Plus model always filled a crucial gap. It gave us the same battery as the Ultra, solid telephoto zoom, flagship performance, and all without the extra bulk or the insane Ultra price tag. Let's take a look at the full S26 lineup. We've got S26 with a 6.27-inch screen, S26 Edge at 6.66 inches, S26 Ultra at 6.89 inches. Notice something missing? Yep, no S26 Plus. Samsung wants us to believe the Edge is the new middle tier, but thinner doesn't always mean better. It means cuts, like less battery, no telephoto, and worse value. Now, there are whispers that Samsung might upgrade the Edge with things like silicon carbon batteries, or maybe better efficiency in the same slim form. Sounds cool. But that's pretty much what the Plus already gave us. Reliable power, endurance, full flagship features. So why ditch something proven for something that feels experimental? Some say Samsung is just following Apple's lead. After all, Apple's swapping the Plus for the iPhone 17 Air. But the Air is about reducing weight, not gutting performance. There's a big difference between clever innovation and cutting corners. And let's not sugarcoat it, this shift doesn't feel like progress. It feels like a downgrade. We don't want a thinner phone that dies before dinner, we want practical power. And choice. The Plus gave us that. So, if anyone at Samsung's listening, keep the Edge, sure. But don't kill off the Plus. Give people options. But hey, maybe I'm off here. Maybe you're totally fine paying more for a thinner phone with fewer features. What do you think? Would you pick the S26 Edge, or do you still stand with the S26 Plus? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button if you agree, and of course, subscribe to Drop Tech for more updates like this. I'll see you in the next one.